day to all. Today we are in Pune and I'm taking you to one of the very renowned developers project here. If I talk about the micro market, it's Hinjwadi and it's an IT hub. Many big renowned companies are operating from here. So all IT manpower or working people, even if you are in Mumbai and you are looking for your second home for investment purpose, your end use purpose, this project's going to suit you. Altogether, it's 106 acre of land, and by view you can see it's a kind of valley all around your project, and this project is in the center. So view is going to be a USP for this project. If I talk about the configurations and layouts, here you will get 2 BHK, you will get 3 BHK, you will get 4 BHK. If you are looking for ultra luxury villas, that also options are there. You have duplex. So all kind of layout and options are in this 106 acre project. If we talk about the commercial activity, then you have commercial malls also, you have golf course, all the service amenities are inside the project. So this is going to be a really high-end project if we look down 4, 5, 6 years after, once possession will start for this project. It's a Hiranandani project. So first go through this animated visual that will give you a handsome idea about the look and feel of the project. And after I will take you through 2 BHK layout, 3 BHK layout, and with time I will bring all the other configurations videos. So if you are interested, definitely you can look this and then explore the opportunity. So now we are in this sample flat and we will see how is the layout. This is a fully furnished sample flat. So all the furniture, fixture, fall ceiling, all kind of interior work is done here. But the flat you will get the actual, in that you will get a raw flat. So just to clarify. Now this is your dining room, you can see here, and living room, it's all in single length. From here you will get access to your kitchen. So kitchen also you can see here, it's a nice size. That's your kitchen top. That's the top, all the woodwork, everything is done. So accordingly you can do as per your designing. This is your wet area, and if you will go on the other side, that's your dry area. Rest little bit as per your interior and way you can change setup. This all woodwork, it's done because simple flat, but you need to get it done. Now we come here, this is your one powder room, and then wash basin is there for your visitors and guests. So bedroom's privacy won't get compromised at all. Your running guests or visitors, they can use this powder room, and the wash area is here. In case some additional guests are staying, then also you can use this powder later. This is from the other angle, you can see your living area, and you get one balcony also in your living area. Later I will show you view from that also. It's a nice view. Here your master bedroom, you can see one balcony you have with attached with your master bedroom also. And then here is the size, double bed is there. After that also you can see all around you have a nice area. That's the woodwork setup, wardrobe and all you can do as per your choice and combination. Now this is the another bedroom, you can see your second bedroom. Here also the panel work is done. This is your woodwork done, cupboard. And this is your washroom for this second bedroom, you can see. After this we will go to that your third bedroom. So this is your third bedroom, you can see here. Here also you can see after the double bed you have space, and you have access to the balcony also in this room. So at least natural light and flow of air would be there. You can utilize as per your, and if you are on the top floor, definitely your view is also going to be mesmerizing. Valley view, and the weather wise, Pune is the best. So definitely you can enjoy sitting in the balcony also. Here you can get your closet done, and this is the washroom for your third bedroom. Here also you can see it's a nice size, and little bit changes as per your taste and choice you can do later. Now you can have a view from the balcony also. Here it's a nice valley view. So if you are on the lower floor, then also you will get the view, and if you are on the higher floor, then definitely you have a long view of valley all around, because from all 360-degree view you will have that this valley view. And this project is based in the center of that valley. Altogether 106 acres, where you will get all kind of layouts. You have 2 BHK, 3 BHK, then you have 4 BHK, you have villas, you have duplex, and in between all the commercial place, then golf course, sports area, amenities, services. That's anyway part of this township. Here we are in this 2 BHK. This is a 2 BHK layout for you, and this is not a fully furnished apartment. This is a raw flat. So that's how you will get your flat, without furniture, without any kind of false ceiling, lighting. But here lighting and false ceiling is there, but yeah, it's empty. So you can visualize little bit how your flat is going to be. From this living dining room, here come we are in the kitchen. So in kitchen also you will get all the slabs, but woodwork won't be there. So you need to get it done. Although wet area and dry area is defined, so according to your choice, you can develop it. All the wardrobe, woodwork, you need to get it done. This is your first bedroom, you can see. And again, you have a balcony here, window, so you can have a natural light and ventilation. Window balcony gives you the additional advantage, so you can have an ample natural light. It's a 10 by 11 size, the bedroom, you can see from here. Now this is the second bedroom we came to. Here also you can see the nice length and width is there. Of course, wardrobe, beds and all things you need to do as per your choice. This, the size is 13 feet by 10.6. And again, you have balcony here. From there you can get a nice valley view. In any weather, definitely you can enjoy in the balcony. And this is the washroom for this master bedroom. Here also you get ample area, you can see. In washroom you will get the fitting and fixtures, so this is going to be as it is, like we are showing here in the video. This is your shower area, and this is your second washroom, so which you can use for your guests also, and then the second room also. So second room is not attached with the wash area. Again, let me show you. So that was the 3 BHK and 2 BHK layout for you. Now I'm just taking a round nearby, hardly 1.5 to 2 kilometers away. You have a nice this water body. It's a dam, and for change, if you want to visit nearby places, then definitely you can come here. A lot of water games are there. Nice resort, restaurants are near to this dam. Now it's a midsummer, so that's why you can see the water level is down. But in rainy season and winter, this is full of water at higher levels, so definitely that will give you a little bit additional advantage, that you are staying next to a visiting place. Not occasionally, very frequently you can visit here with your friends, with your family, with your guests, and enjoy a nice time. So altogether, this project is really situated in Hinjwadi, as I said, and Pune. Weather is fine. So you are from Mumbai and you are looking for some luxury property, second property for investment or for your end use. For all purpose, this will suit you definitely. For more videos like this of new projects, definitely you can subscribe my channel, and same time you can press the bell icon, so whenever I am putting some new video in Pune or some other city, you will get notification and you can watch it. By the time, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you from now.